Hi students, today we are teaching 4.4. Okay, mind 4.4, that is area of triangle. Okay, so normally triangles, for every triangles they are given the 3 points. Okay, so if they given 3 points, then the normal formula for calculating the area of triangle is this one. So we will take half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y1 minus y3 and x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, so that formula can be written in the determinant in this form. Okay, half into first point, second point, third point. So first point x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, and third column value will be 1. Okay, so if you solve this in determinant, you will get the same formula. Okay, so means if we take from a row wise x1, okay, x1, if here they have taken the column wise now, so we have to solve this determinant by column wise. So x1 we have to take, so x1 we are eliminating that row and that column. So left out is y1 and y3 1 1. We have to cross multiply that value, y2 into 1 and y3 into 1. We have to cross multiply. Okay, then y2 minus y3, so you will get y2 minus y3. Then you have to take the second value, that is x2. Now if you eliminate that row and that column, so left out value is y1 minus y3. Okay, so y3 minus y1. Again x3, you eliminate that row and that column, write x3, and eliminate that row and that column, y1 minus y2. Okay, so this is how you have to solve the determinant problem. Okay, now I'm teaching the exercise number 4.3. In that first problem, the given the 3 points, we have to write, we have to find the area of the triangle. Okay, the 3 points given will be x1 y1, x2 y2, and x3 y3. So first point 1 comma 0, and the last column value will be 1. Okay, so again 6 0 1 4 3 1. Now you have to solve this. So in the formula you have to take off first, then the first one. Okay, first one. Here the thing is, I have taken in the normal way, means I have not taken in the same formula, I have taken in a determinant formula, determinant way. Okay, so normal determinant way, I have taken first value, I have cross multiply. 1 into 0 it is 0, 3 minus 3 into 1 it is negative 3. Okay, then minus center value with the negative sign, 0 into anything will be 0, so I'm not calculating that one. And the last value is 1, we are eliminating that one, that column. 6 3s are, we have to cross multiply, 6 3s are 18, 4 0s are 0. Okay, now 1 into minus 3, this will be 0 and 18. So 18 minus 3, it is 15, and by 2 is our formula. So this is how you can calculate. If you apply same formula also, you will get the same answer. Okay, so no need to buy the thing. Here they have taken the determinant formula column wise, first column. On the first column, here we can take however we want. Okay, so any row or any column you can consider and apply the same logic, you will get the same answer. Now we are going to find out the another problem, 4.1 exercise problem. They given the 2 points, we have to find the equation of the line joining 2 points. Okay, so first for the line joining, there it will be a equation, so only 2 points they will give. So first value I will consider x and y. You can consider any row or any column, this one. Okay, so you may consider it as the third row, and you can write these 2 points in the first row and the second row, no issue with that. Okay, now I have taken xy, and the third column will be 1, area of a triangle, so off. Okay, so we have to compute this one, so we have to apply determinant. So 1 by 2 into, I'm again taking on the first row. Okay, so x into that row, that column you eliminate, 2 into 1, 6 into 1, so 2 minus 6. Okay, the center value, so plus minus plus, so center value with the negative sign, minus y, that row and that column you eliminate, 1 into 1 is 1, minus 3 into 1 is 3. So 1 minus 3. Again third value is plus. Okay, you eliminate that row and that column. So left out is 6 minus 3 to the 6. Okay, so 6 minus 6. So this value will be 0. So we are not calculating that one. So 2 minus 6 is minus 4x, and 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 into minus, that is plus 2y. Okay, now you have to divide it by 2. So 2 2s are 2 1s are. When you then minus 2x plus y. So when you take y on this side or 2x on this side, you will get y is equals to 2x. So this is the equation of line join. Okay. Okay, next main is 4.5, minors and cofactors. Okay, minors and cofactors. So first one is minus. Minus is denoted by capital M of I and J, where I denotes the rows value and J denotes the column value. Means what? See, so this matrix we can write in this form. Means A11 means 1. A11 value is 1. A12 value is 2. A13 value is 3. Like first row first value, first row second value, first row third value, like that. Okay, the same way second row first value, second row second value, second row third value, third row first value, third row second value, third row third value. So this is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So Ij means A of Ij is A of 3 3 matrix. Okay, the final element. So here the minus is calculated for every element. So M of Ij is a minor of A of Ij. Okay, now see in this example, this is an example, you have to calculate the minor of 2 3. Okay, so minor of 2 3, second row third element. So which is the second row third element? It is 6. Okay, so minor value of 6 can be calculated by eliminating that elements in which row that element is present. We have to eliminate that row and that column. We have to cross multiply the left out element. So 1 into 8 is 8, minus 7 2s are, we have to cross multiply. Okay, 7 2s are 14. So 8 minus 14 will get minus 6. So the minor value of 2 3 is minus 6. I hope you understood. See, minor value means we have to eliminate that particular row and that particular column, and we have to cross multiply the rest value. Okay, the same way if you say, if we need the minor value of, means minor value of 2 1 2, let me consider minor value of 1 2, this value. Okay, that can be given as eliminate that row and that column. 4 into 9 minus 7 into 6. 4 9s are 36 minus 7 6s are 42. So answer is again minus 6. Okay, so like this you have to calculate the minor value. So if they ask for particular element, you can calculate only for that particular element. So you should remember this one, how the element is represented. Okay, now in the same main there will be another one topic, that is cofactor of the element. Okay, so cofactor of A of Ij means cofactor of any of the element in the given determinant is represented by capital A of Ij. Okay, so capital A of Ij. Now cofactor is completely depends on the minor value. So formula for that one is this one. A of Ij is equals to minus 1 to the power I plus j minus 1 to the power I plus j into M of Ij. So M of Ij we will calculate before, then we will substitute in cofactor formula. Okay, so this is the main thing. So now we will solve the simple example how to calculate the minor value. Okay, so this is for calculating the minor value in 3 cross 3. Now it is 2 cross 2 determinant. Okay, so here they have asked to find the minor value for each and every element. So the first value is always represented by A11, A12, A21 and A22. Okay, so A11 value is 1, A12 value is minus 2, A21 value is 4 and A22 value is 3. That's what I have written here. So the minors can be How to calculate the minus? Eliminating that row and that column, then cross multiply, right? The same way here, just eliminate that row and that column, you will get the left out value. That left out value is said to be our minor. So here A11, so A11 present in the first value, so we will eliminate wherever that row and that column, the left out element is 3, so 3 is our minor value. The same way A21, eliminate that row and that column, left out is 4. Okay, so 4. Again A21, eliminate that row and that column, so left out is minus 2. In the same way for 3, eliminate that row and that column, minor is 1. Okay, now we have to use this one to find the cofactors. So how to calculate? See here, this is our formula. So we have calculated M11, M12, M21 and M22. Now the formula is minus 1 to the power I plus j. Okay, so A11 we have to find first. A11 is equals to minus 1 to the power. This is ij value is this one only, 1, 1. So 1 plus 1, that is 2. M11 is 3. So minus 1 square is positive 1. 1 into 3, that is 3. Okay. The same way A12 means minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2. This value only. So 1 plus 2, M of 1, 2. This is minus 1 cube, that is a negative 1. Into M of 1, 2 is 4. That is minus 4. Okay. Again A21. Again 2 plus 1 minus to the minus 1 cube, that is negative 1. M21 value is minus 2. So minus 2. Minus into minus will get positive 2 as the next minor cofactor value, positive 2. Okay. Now A22, which gives minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2, that is minus 4. Minus 1 to the power 4, that is positive 1. And M22, it is 1. So 1 into 1. So 1. So these are all the our cofactor value for this given 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay. Now we'll see one example exercise problem related to this. So in the exercise 4.4, page number 126 in the textbook, third problem, we have to find the delta and they given the determinants. You have to calculate along the second row. That is the question they are given. Okay, so along the second row if you calculate, so this is your formula. Okay, A21 into means element value into minus cofactor plus element into cofactor plus element into cofactor. Here you should consider one thing. Here it is 2 plus 1. So minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 cube. So this value will be negative. Okay, and this value will be positive because 2 minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2, that is 4. Now here A23 minus 1 to the power 5, that is negative. So this value will also be negative. Okay, now for A21, so you write the element A21 like that only. Eliminate that row and that column. So left out value is A12, A13, A32, A33. Okay, so now you see A21 value is 2. I have written 2 with the negative sign. Now eliminate that row and that column. 3 3s are 3 3s are 9, 2 8s are 2 8s are 16. Okay, cross multiply again like this. Again the center value A22, that is 0. So 0 into anything will be 0. So no need to calculate that part. Now the third value it is 1. 1 with the negative sign you should write. Okay, 1 with the negative sign because of the formula. So that is negative 1. Now eliminate that row and that column. 5 2s are minus 1 3s are. Okay, so 5 2s are minus 1 3s are. So 5 2s are 10. 3 1s are 3. Now 2 into 9 minus 16. 9 minus 16 is minus 7. Minus 7 into negative sign because of this formula, right? So minus into minus positive 7. Okay, so 2 into 7 you will get. Again minus 0, this part we are not considering. Now here 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is positive 7. Again by formula there will be negative sign. So that negative. So 14 minus 7. So 7. 7 is our delta value. Okay students, go through with all the exercise problems. If you feel any, if you didn't get any problem, you can ask me. Okay, So go through. So tomorrow next class you be on online at the evening 4:30. Okay, so be on online at evening 4:30. I'll clear your doors and we'll do the next exercises. Okay, see you.